Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to go over the cryptocurrency markets, Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm Greg. If you just landed here, do me a huge favor, drop a like, hit that subscribe button. Be greatly appreciated. All right, guys, going to go over the DXY again. DXY, this is going to matter a little bit, trying to suss this situation out. Okay. I still think there's going to be one more push. It looks like Bitcoin and Ethereum are coming up to complete something. Got a little bit of bearish divergence going on there. Go ahead and take a look at that just a second. Also, too, guys, watch it all the way through because I'll tell you my plans here with Ethereum, what you want to start watching out for. I think maybe Ethereum's leading the pack and it's going to start making some moves to the upside. Now, whether it's going to be correction, auto way up, say like an X wave or some sort of massive B wave, or maybe Ethereum's going into that last wave and it's going to break all-time highs. We're just not going to know. But I got some points there, some price points to be looking at. Anyhow, DXY, it's still at the moment of truth with the DXY. As you can see, boom, you see how that came, wick down on the daily, right into the price territory wave one, okay? So my best estimate is this is going to be some type of ending diagonal possibly with the DXY, which is good if it's not finished. It'll be an ending type diagonal push up, and then that'll be the end of it for the DXY. Or best case scenario, it's done. Don't think so. It did wick down there on the daily like that and just touch the top of this wave. It's like in a diagonal, guys. Ending diagonal, telling us possibly if it is the ending diagonal, it means it's the end of something coming right up here and then down. Good for Bitcoin, good for Ethereum, good for tech stocks, good for risk on assets, possibly. All right, guys, Bitcoin. All right, here's Bitcoin. I still think Bitcoin's being a wimp, guys. I just, here's the deal. You can get a bullish count out of that. You can, but it's a very, very wimpy. This is a wimpy move for Bitcoin, okay? Me personally, I would like to see Bitcoin do this all the way right down there, guys. That's what I want to see Bitcoin do. Let's get down here, get that done, and then see what it does from there. I don't like this as a base for the start of something. I just don't, guys. I don't. So I could be wrong. Maybe it is. Maybe it is. This is some sort of base for something for it to get out of here. I'm not liking that at all. So I'm indecisive. If you want to give me a percentage, if I want to give you a percentage of what it is right now, I'm very skeptical of Bitcoin's move. About 60% bearish and 40% maybe bullish is where I'm at with Bitcoin right now, guys. Okay. It's very, this is telling me the market is very indecisive and uncertain, which is to be expected. It's to be expected with these risk on assets right now. They're not believing any of this. Okay. So, but let's go over to the second biggest asset in cryptocurrency, Ethereum, right here, guys. Ethereum. Here's the deal with Ethereum. Ethereum is not confusing at all. Okay, this is clearly, I checked all the fib levels. We go through all the fib levels on this move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can go through all the fib levels and check that with the wicks, without the wicks, on log, off log. I've done it every which way. And to try to prove to myself that this is not an impulse move, it's a trick. See 1.618 in the third wave target right there is good, that this is a trick. And I'm not able to do it. Let's check the fourth wave retrace. You see that fourth wave retrace hit the 382. All the numbers match up, guys, on this move. It's just the length of time. So it's a massive move. Okay, so up 106%. Okay, so it's definitely something different. You'd go look at this wave. This wave took 2 months. I go to the bottom of that wick to the top there. That was just 65% over the course of 2 months. Now Ethereum over here in, what was this? June, just over a month, a little bit shorter of a time, up 106%. Okay. So here's the deal. Here's the deal with Ethereum. This is either going to end up the start of some sort of massive A wave down for a B and then up for a C, like so, guys. Okay. And then this is some sort of massive bearish cycle. Okay. A bear cycle rally, or whatever you want to call it, to swing back down. Okay. That's one option. So either way, in my opinion, there's more upside, or this is the start of wave one, like so. And it's coming down for 2. And then it's going to go into a 3, 4, 5, like so. Okay. We're just not going to know. Nobody can tell you what's going to be going on with Ethereum here in the near future, guys. But here's the deal. It's more than likely, it's got some bearish divergence, probably going to sit up here for a while, do a correction. And these are the targets I'm looking for Ethereum. It's about 1367 and maybe as low as 1268. The reason I'm picking these areas too, guys, if you take a look at it, is they like to come to the bottom, this fourth wave area. There's a fourth wave over here. That would be an area I'd be checking out. And right on top of here too, guys. And the fib areas like to hit that right there. So boom. And this area more than likely is where it's going to be correcting to. So you can expect a decent dump of 23, maybe even down as much as almost 30% with Ethereum, guys. Something in that nature. Now, if it's very bearish, it'll come all the way back down here. Second waves can retrace all the way back down here. So if it's down here, doesn't mean, oh, it's done. Not yet. You know, they can correct all the way. You can see if you come over here to Ethereum on the daily chart, I'll show you. This is an example. You can see this wave right here, guys. This is a wave 1. And look at that. That retraced almost the whole length of that wave 1. So you can't rule that out, that it retraced almost this whole leg, okay? And then go into a third wave. But these are the target areas. If it's bearish, it's corrective wave, it's going to be 1958. If it's going to be semi-bullish, if you will, that's technically a word if you want to put it that way, and it's going to hit more of linear targets, it'll be up to 2454. And if it's going to go into a third wave and start hitting logarithmic third wave targets on Ethereum, this next wave, it'll be at 3257. Way up there, guys. So that's a possibility. And what I will be doing is checking out the retrace on Ethereum. Me personally, not financial advice, wherever it's going to be going to, whether here, okay, or maybe a bounce down even a little bit lower to those areas. In these areas, be checking out personally Ethereum and getting into it. It looks like Ethereum's going to be more bullish on this move, and then just patiently waiting to see what Bitcoin's going to do. Like I said, I do hope Bitcoin does this. I would be much more comfortable with Bitcoin doing this than starting out with this, but you just don't know. You just don't know. I mean, that's me personally. The market's going to determine that, not me. All right, guys, that's the end of it. DXY. Pay attention to it, see what's going on here. It might do another run up. And if it does that run up, Bitcoin down. DXY goes up like that, Ethereum down. Okay, more than likely is what's going to be happening. It seems like it's coming up for a correction. It's obvious. There's bearish divergence all over the assets, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the other assets, whether you're paying attention to quant. The other ones that run up really well, Matic is another example, guys. So those are other coins to be paid attention to too on this correction. Quant, Matic doing pretty well. They can really come back around and then blast up again into another wave run. All right, guys, that's the end of my update with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Put my thoughts out there, what I think is possibly going on, what to look out for. If you made it all the way to the end of my video, drop a like, hit that subscribe button. Peace.